In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bookmark in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're new to Acrobat or just looking to optimize your PDF workflow, bookmarking is a fundamental skill that can enhance your digital document experience. So let's dive right into it. First, when you open Adobe Acrobat, you'll find yourself on the home page. Here, you can see a list of your recent documents. If you've been working on something previously or want to continue on a particular PDF, you can easily access it by choosing to open your recent work. Alternatively, if you're starting from scratch and need a new document, you can create one right from this homepage using Adobe's variety of tools. This flexibility ensures you're not interrupted in your workflow, whether you're in the midst of a big project or just starting out. Once you've selected your document, the next step is straightforward. Simply click to open the recent document you want to work with. Opening a file is intuitive in Acrobat, and you should see your selected PDF appear on the screen, ready for your edits or additions. The way Adobe Acrobat is structured helps keep your documents organized and easily accessible, making it much simpler to jump into the work at hand without unnecessary hassle. Now, let's focus on the actual bookmarking process. Find the text within your document that you want to bookmark. Highlight this text using your cursor. This could be a specific section, a crucial point, or perhaps a title that makes navigation more effective for you later. After highlighting the desired text, right-click with your mouse. A menu will appear presenting you with various options. From these, select the option labeled Add Bookmark. This action is essential as it allows you to tag parts of your document for quick and easy access in future sessions. After you've added a bookmark, you'll see it reflected almost immediately in a panel usually located on the side of the file. This side panel acts as a navigation tool, listing all the bookmarks that you have created in the document. You can click on any of these bookmarks at any time to jump directly to that highlighted section. This feature is especially handy for large documents or when you're analyzing multiple sections and need an efficient way to cross-reference information. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll enhance the way you navigate through your PDF files, saving time and improving accuracy when returning to important sections of your work. As you familiarize yourself with bookmarking, you'll likely find it to be an invaluable tool in managing and organizing your information in Adobe Acrobat. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.